Wow, so many stuff.
Yeah.
Is that a...
Yeah, tools.
Oh.
This tools.
Yeah.
There's also tools. First, I do wear my helmet. Now do the other side.
Oh, you're so clever. You can do by yourself. For mommy, it's so complicated.
I flip it over.
Okay.
I'll just squish it with my bum on. It's just like a chair. Now did it work? Yes, it worked. Now I need to figure out how to do it. I need this go there. There it goes. Now I need a circle one.
Where's the circle one?
Yes!
Oh.
I found it.
It's just like a big Lego.
Yeah. Hey, what did this? Ah! Stop my finger! What's this for?
You can check the box picture.
Okay. Let me see. Okay. But 1 second. Let me put this down first. Put this up. No, this flies over. I forgot about this. What's that?
Are you sure you can build this by yourself?
No.
Maybe we need to take a look at the structure.
Yeah, where's the structure? Well, where's the structure?
On the box, the picture.
Okay. And then it holds. And then here. Yes! I did it! Look.
Cool.
I need somebody to help me hold it.
Oh, maybe my hand.
Okay, one hand.
Dun, dun. One hand.
Yeah, just hold it.
Hold where?
Hold
This
it.
where?
Yeah. Yes. I did it. There's a lot of stuff. Yes. I mean like that.
Oh, I see.
And then put it sideways to there. Sideways to there. Sideways to there.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
It's not working.
Really?
I'm the better structure.
Yeah.
We need to first open this.
Oh, the background is a Halloween background.
Yeah.
Actually, today is a Halloween day, right?
Yeah. So it's okay.
So why don't you dress up? Do you miss trick or treat?
Yesterday, because I really go to school and I trick or treat at school.
Oh, okay, okay. You got a lot of candy.
I need to get it out to another place.
I can see your face. Ta-da! Right here. Hi, Finn.
Hello.
Hi, Finn.
Hello.
You are really a hard worker. Hi, Finn.
Hello. I need to use the timer.
It's really a challenge for you.
Yeah.
You're only 5. And the box says it's for 3-year-old kids.
And I'm 5.
So you can handle it, right?
Yeah. I can handle it. And make sure it's tight.
Okay.
I'm come to vacuum.
It's really good toy for boys, right?